Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the right vegetable rail in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new right vegetable rail. This vegetable rail supports the right side crisper drawer. It's mounted at the right side of the cabinet. The most common reason to replace the vegetable rail is if it breaks and no longer allows the drawer to glide. To get to the part, we need to open both refrigerator doors. Let's remove both crisper drawers, pull it out and lift up, and then we can take them out. Same thing on the right side, and pull it up and out. Our next step would be freeing that support from the bottom on this cover here. I'm going to do it by pressing down on the cover and sliding forward the support. We're going to disengage that tab at the back. Now going to slide the crisper cover assembly forward and remove it. Alright, so I'm going to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds this rail using Phillips screwdriver. And I'm going to peel it off and pull it forward. Before proceeding any further, we need to remove this roller so we can install it onto the new rail. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to press it out. This is the old right vegetable rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the rail in, we need to put this roller in. Simply drop it into this cutout and press it down. Can install a new right side vegetable rail. We have this tab at the back. It's going to go into this cutout. Push it in and slide back. Then we're going to secure it with a couple of Phillips screws and match the holes. And using a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to run it in. Alright. Alright, so let's bring that cover assembly, place it on the rails. Slide it back, and then we're going to lock this support. Press down the cover slightly and the tab goes over and latches in. We're going to install the crisper, slide it in, and the second one, slightly angle it and roll it in. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.